Naulan kasi. Nakakatamad mag-light pag naulan. Differentiation. Ayokong maingay. Differentiation. Barriers of communication kasi. So, yun guys. Paliwanag lang natin ng maulit ng maayos. So, let's say meron tayong given. Number 1. Y equals 2x raised to 2x. So, pag ganito yung given guys, kinuha natin yung ln ng both sides. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ln y equals ln ng 2x raised to 2x. Then, syempre, mapapansin mo guys, sa properties ng diba, ng logarithm, pag may times dito sa loob, ina-add natin sila, parang ganito yung magiging itsura nila. Magkakaroon ka ng pag-iwalay mo siya pero addition. So, ln to yung isa plus ln x raised to 2x. So, kunyari, meron dyang AB. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng ln A plus ln B. Mapansin mo kasi dito guys, yung 2x na pares lang yung sa x. So, pwede natin pag-iwalay niya. So, kukunin na natin derivative ng ln y natin. So, implicit siya. So, magkakaroon tayo ng derivative ng ln y. That is 1 over y. So, dahil nag-derive tayo ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. Equals, so derivative ng ln2 natin, which is constant yan. So 0 yan. Then plus, then sa ito pala guys, i-rewrite muna natin to na form. Hindi natin binaba eh. So itong case na to guys, bababa muna natin to. So magiging 2x ln x siya. So ito yung i-derive natin. So ngayon, ito yung magiging u natin, ito yung magiging b. So sa product rule natin, di ba? Meron tayong uv prime plus bu prime. So kunin mo yung derivative na ito, then derivative na ito para makuha natin yun. So basically, kung i-mental na lang natin, kasi meron naman formula dito sa taas. So yung u natin itong 2x. So copy mo yun. Then yung b prime, so derivative ng ln x, that is 1 over x. So times lang natin sa 1 over x. Then plus yung b natin, that is ln x, times natin yung derivative ng 2x, that is 2. So yun na. So syempre, yung 1 times y prime, maging y prime over y equals, eto guys, 0 to. Then ito, i-simplify na lang natin. So yung 2x times 1 over x, may eliminate natin dun yung x. So magkakaroon na lang tayo ng 2 times 1, which is 2. Then plus yung ln x plus times 2, that is 2 ln x. So basically, magkakaroon tayo guys, y prime lang kasi kinukuha natin. So i-multiply lang natin siya, di-divide, multiply both side by y or cross multiply. So pag ginamitan natin ng tawag dito, LCM, ma-eliminate yung y dito, matitira yung y prime. So syempre, ito pwede mo distribute or gawin na lang natin factored form. Ayan, multiply both side yan. So basically, ito na yung magiging derivative natin. Pwede na yan, no? Pero kung gusto mo ibalik yung y in a form na 2x raised to 2x, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime equals 2x raised to 2x. Then copy lang natin yung 2 plus 2 ln x. So syempre, pwede natin i-factor out yung 2. So ilalabas natin yun, 2x raised to 2x. Then meron tayo ditong times 2. So pag nilabas natin yung 2 guys, magiging 2 divide 2 magiging 1 plus 2 divide 2 is 1, matitirang ln x. So yung 2 dito, i-multiply mo dito. So basically, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. 2 times 2 is 4. Then copy lang natin yung mga ibang terms. Then magkakaroon tayo ng 1 plus ln x. So ito yung magiging final natin na sagot. Nagun siya ginagawa. O diba clear? Explanation. Gets yun. Ano daw? Kailangan? Bakit ang topic niya? Ano bang topic? So, another example. Parang may pattern to guys pag parehas. Kunyari ganting given. So, ganun pa rin. So, let's say y is equals to 5x naman raised to 5x. So, ganun pa rin gagawin mo. Like, kunin mo yung ln ng both sides. So, magkakaroon ka ng ln y equals ln ng 5x raised to 5x. So, theorem or ng product, di ba? So, magkakaroon tayo ng ln y equals ln 5 plus ln x raised to 5x. So, may rule tayo sa power na binababa natin to. Ayusin natin yan. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ln y equals ln 5 plus baba natin yung 5x, then copy natin yung ln x, then kunin natin yung derivative nila. So, implicit pa rin. So, magkakaroon ka ng derivative ng ln y, that is 1 over y. So, dahil nag-derive ka ng y, magkakaroon ka ng y prime. Times mo lang dun. So, derivative ng constant is 0, then plus. So, gagamitan natin ito ng product rule, which means yung magiging u, that is yung 5x, then yung b natin is ln x. So, yung derivative ng u natin, that is 5, then derivative ng b, that is 1 over x. Then, ipa-plug lang natin yun guys sa formula na uv prime plus bu prime sa product rule. So, meron tayong u, that is 5x, then times yung ln x na derivative nun, which is 1 over x. Then plus, meron tayong v, which is ln x. Then, meron tayong derivative ng 5x, which is 5. So, syempre, simplify na natin. So, yung 1 over y times y prime, that is y prime over y. So, 0, kahit pa natin sulat yun, simplify na lang natin to. So, yung 5x times 1 over x, may eliminate yung x doon. Magiging 5 times 1, which is 5. Then, plus 5 times ln x, or ln x times 5. That is 5 ln x. So, basically, pwede natin i-multiply both side by y para ma-eliminate yung variable y natin dito. Para matira yung y prime. So, matitira dito guys is y. Then, 5 plus 5 ln x. Then, syempre, pabalik natin yung y as 5x raised to 5x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime, which is equals to 5x raised to 5x. So, ngayon, pakikita mo kasi sa term na to, pwede pa i-factor out yung 5. So, labas natin yung 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1. Pag dinivide to, magiging 1. Then, ito rin, magiging 1. Pero may ln x doon. So, ln x na lang. So, multiply lang natin to dito. Magkakaroon tayo ng y prime, which is equals to 5 times 5 is 25. Then, x raised to 5x. Then, yung 1 plus ln x natin. So, ganun siya ginagawa. Oh, kasi y prime lang naman kinukuha natin eh. So, number 3. So, number 3. So, let's say y equals 4x raised to x raised to 4. Gulo yun, ha? So, ayan. Given natin. So, basically, gagawin lang natin yun, guys. So, magkaroon tayo ng ln y. So, ln y, ln ng 4x raised to x raised to 4. Ano daw? So, apply natin yung properties ng logarithm sa right side. So, labas lang natin yung ln 4 plus yung ln x raised to x raised to 4. Then, properties ulit dito. So, bababa lang natin to. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ln y equals ln 4 plus, baba yung x raised to 4. Then, copy lang yung ln x. Then, after that, syempre, derivative na. So, derivative ng ln y, that is 1 over y. Dahil nag-derive ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. which is equals to derivative ng constant, that is 0. So meron tayo ditong product rule na ga-apply ulit. So actually pwede na natin yun, basta ito lagi yung u, pwede baliktad, okay lang yun, depende sa'yo, pero mostly ginagamit yung unang term. So yung u natin is x raised to 4, suot natin ulit. Then yung v natin is ln x. So yung u prime, that is, ano yung u prime natin? Ito. So magiging 4x cube ha. Then yung v prime natin is 1 over x. Baka nakalimutan na mag-derive ng ganito, power rule. So ganyan na guys. Yung u natin is x raised to 4 times natin sa v, that is 1 over x, v prime I mean, plus yung v natin, that is ln x. Then yung u prime is 4x cube. So yung formula para hindi makalimutan, that is sa product rule is uv prime plus vu prime. So yan. Then 1 over y times y prime, that is y prime over y. Then 0, okay na yan. So simplify ito guys. So bali ito guys, yung x raised to 4 times 1 over x, may eliminate yung isang x, magiging x cube na lang. Then syempre magkakaroon tayo ng ln x times 4x cube, which is 4x cube ln x. Then multiply siya both side by y. So magkakaroon tayo ng y prime, which is equals to y, then yung x cube plus 4x cube ln x. Factor out, sabihin. Then syempre babalik natin yung y, which is 4x raised to x raised to 4. So magkakaroon tayo ng 4x raised to x raised to 4. Then yung x cube plus 4x cube ln x. Wherein ito guys, yung x cube pwede natin ilabas. So magkakaroon tayo ng y prime, which is equals to 4x raised to x raised to 4 times yung x cube natin na factor na itong term. So magkakaroon tayo ng 1 dito, then plus 4 ln x. Then multiply natin dito yun guys. So paano mag-multiply nito? Tala, pwede ba yung combine? Add lang, 'di ba? So basically guys, pag ano tayo ng hindi pwede yan kasi parehas ng variable ng tawag dito, nagmumultiply tayo ng variables na parehas, ina-add natin yung exponent. So bali parehas to ng variable. So magkakaroon tayo ng x raised to 4 plus 3. Then kakapin na lang natin yung 1 plus 4 ln x. So ito yung magiging sagot natin. So tandaan dapat yun na kapag parehas yung variables na minumultiply, ina-add yung exponent. Binigay, given, that is y equals ln ng secant x tan x. So basically guys, kasi meron naman tong formula, 'di ba, na format na, pero logarithm kasi siya kung i-derive natin. So pwede natin siya i-rewrite muna as, pag-iwalay natin siya based sa property, ln x plus ln tan x. Then ayun, pwede mo na gawin yung derivative, wherein kung sa derivative ang kailangan mo lang tandaan is yung tan x secant x natatakpan mo na lang. So basically kung meron tayong y prime, so yung derivative ng ln x, di ba, kung meron tayong ln x, that is 1 over x pag dinerive. So bali magkakaroon na ng 1 over yung secant natin times yung derivative ng secant. So kung meron tayong secant na isa, takpan mo yon, that is tan x secant x. So magkakaroon tayo ng tan x secant x, then plus yun yung gagawin natin. So meron tayong ln tan x, that is 1 over tan x. Then times sa derivative ng tan x, that is second squared. Pag tinakpan mo kasi yung tan x, yung matitirang dalawang second, which is second squared x. Then multiply na lang. So actually guys, pwede mo to i-simplify in second. Kasi nasa denominator to, ito nasa numerator. So, magkakaroon ka ng 1 times tan x. So, bali tan x na lang siya. Then, yung plus, ito naman guys, 1 times second squared. That is second squared x over tan x. So, ito na siya. Pero kung gusto mo i-gawing single fraction do, kunin mo LCD, which is tan x. Then, over 1 mo lang to. So, tan x divide 1, that is tan x times tan x. That is tan squared x. Then, plus, so, tan x divide tan x, magiging 1 times yung second squared x. That is second squared x. So, pwede ito or ito. So, depende sa'yo. Then, yung isa naman na ginawa natin guys, yung gagawa ka ng product rule, applicable din kasi parehas lang naman